Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Microsoft Project for the web for collaboration workflows. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Microsoft Project for the web. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once on the home page, look for the Sign In button at the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. If you already have a Microsoft account, enter your credentials and click Sign In. If you do not have an account, choose the option to create a new account. Follow the prompted steps to set up your new Microsoft account. After signing in or creating an account, you will be directed to the project homepage. Here, you can explore the various project management tools available. To start using Microsoft Project for the web, locate the New Project button. Click on New Project to initiate a new project. In the Project Setup interface, you can name your project and define its parameters. Once you've entered the necessary details, click on Create to proceed. After your project is created, you will enter the project workspace. In the workspace, familiarize yourself with the layout and available features. To collaborate with others, look for the Share button in the top right corner. Click on the Share button to open the sharing options. Here, you can invite team members by entering their email addresses. Additionally, you can set their permission levels to control access. After adding team members, click Send Invitation to notify them. Your team members will now receive an email invitation to collaborate. Once they accept the invite, they will have access to your project. You can communicate and collaborate in real time using the built-in features. Explore the various functionalities like task assignment and progress tracking. Familiarize yourself with these tools to enhance your project management experience. Start using Microsoft Project for the web to streamline your collaboration workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.